Yeah, my people, now welcome back again to my channel. And I'm still your boy Prince Steve. If you've never subscribed to this channel, we try to subscribe to this channel so that you will get updates anything when the PC night they happen for Italy and things when the PC they happen for other places. And don't forget, say for the channel we talk about document issue. Sometimes we'll bring entertainment. We'll try to let you know what they happen around the world. So you want never subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that anytime I upload my video, you'll see as it happen and you'll see as it take place. So without wasting time, and the Amos will be too. Not be small thing. Greece Coast Guard don't call us for immigrants when it be like say that they arrive from sea. If you see the way they treat this immigrant for inside sea, a guy, you will shock. When I watch that video now, say, so all this kind of thing be like say still they happen when it be say person they come make it come rescue in life for the international side. They come be say now those people now then come it be like say they won't see kill them. If you see the way where they treat these people for inside this for inside the sea when it be say they won't land there, this is a Greece Coast Guard. But the thing when it be say now, nine me say nine con they wonder for everybody be say all these Greece Coast Guard now they call it talk say not be them get those ship, don't be them be those people when be seen and then they attack the immigrant for inside sea. Because if you watch this video, it just be like person when it be say they push them, then Arabu, you understand, and Libya people they constantly go meet them, con they calabush them, all those kind of stuff. But this one now so now Greece people now do this one, purposely do this one. So if you see the way they treat these people for inside sea, I'll play the video on see as they happen. If you see the way they treat these people, then when they shoot gun they put for inside the sea, they shoot many things, they use boats, they pass them anyhow when they be say themselves they with a small boat. If you see the way when this thing happen, it just they very bad. Now say all these kind of things still they happen like this. All this is now something when they be say they talk. For this Europe side, I don't lie you brother, everywhere don't full. Italian don't tire for immigrants. All of them, all the Europe countries, all of them don't tire for immigrants because the way when people take they arrive, it will not be small thing. So they just they pass left, right, anywhere they just they enter now. But this one now they can't enter wrong area. You when it be say you there for Libya or anywhere where you there when be say you want cross, and the advice you may not try say you want follow Greece route. Why? Because if you follow that place, your eye go sing rain. If you see what happen to these people, my brother, not be small thing. These Greece people now they come they choke them for inside the sea. They use they use whether na stick or whether na iron. They choke the boat, made the bust the boat. All those people die for that place. So all those things, it not make sense. It better self say they not come rescue them. Maybe they just they struggle on their own. Maybe they feel confirm dry land, all those kind of things. But all these people as they come now, they come they feel say, they don't see rescue. They don't say hallelujah. But they don't know so those people, all those Greece Coast Guard say they come destroy them. So if you see the way they pass their own boats, their own speed boats, if you see the way they pass them with those immigrants. Yeah, if you watch this video, you're shocked. For those of you when be so and never see the video, may not be like say, I just dare they talk For those of you when be so never see demonstrate. Una don't say as it happen now so So all those things now be waiting it be say now happen for Greece side. They come they talk say not be them do am, say like say not be them do all those things. Who do am na Italian people na do am, na Italian Coast Guard na do am, not be Italian Coast Guard na be do that one. So this thing the name there for that place. So now Greece people now be saying and then do all those things. They come they try to kill all those migrants who arrive. So all this is now be something when it be say we see the let una they know people when be say that they Libya money see as it take the place. So you when it be say you dey plan to go follow Greece. May not say Greece not dey friendly, eh? You know say Greece not just dey friendly because may not be like say you dey balani way car you can't go back on the way you understand? So you when it be say you want follow Greece, may you see that video, may not say Greece not they're not just themselves not just even want say they rescue and make the carry on go back to their country. What if they don't want me to kill the people for inside that sea because all those guys when it be say all those things happen now, nobody can know the end of it. Whether they rescue them last so whether they kill them, whether they bust their lampa because on a see as they choke all those things so nobody know what in the be say now it can still happen for that place now. So this video, if you watch, I may try to share and go everywhere so that people when they live there, people when they be say they won't try to call Europe, may they know what they'll pass through, may they know as it happen so that they will make their right decision, may they know as it want to be. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to another news. Lamorgese and Di Maio don't call out say like say the way when Tunisia people take they arrive for Italy say it go stop. Say the way when it be say Tunisia people they come, say they want, all of them won't just come at once, they won't pack their family, they won't just leave their own Tunis, they won't leave all their country, come Italy. So now Luciano Lamorgese and Luigi Di Maio say like say all these things need to stop. What they can't do, they can't go to Tunisia direct, they can't go visit the government of Tunisia. Because they tell them say the immigrants when it be said they arrive for their side, say not be say they get war for their country now. Say what be the meaning of what make them they come out, what they pursue them they come out. Say they won't know. Luigi Di Maio and Lamorgese say they won't know why it be say immigrants they come out for their country. So because now they not get any war when it be say they disturb them, when they make them they run they come out. So all this is now waiting in be say now Luigi Di Maio and Lamorgese can't go to Nice, can't go they explain to the government say the immigrants when they their country say it too much, you understand? Say the African migrants when it be say it they their country it too much. So why then when it be say they're still near Italy, can't they like to escape the entire Italy when it be say themselves properly know say they not get any problem for their country. Say they won't know the reason why when it be say their immigrants they arrive for this side. If you see, I know say the problem when it be say now make Lamorgese or this Di Maio, even Salvini, because they complain say the immigrants when they arrive too much. Now these Tunisia people now for the come because all of them just they pack the come because you not say they're not they run desert now. So if they just enter the scene and they just cross 5 minutes they don't reach Italy. So they just they pack the come. So now this Luigi Di Maio and Luciano Lamorgese as the minister of the internal can't go for Tunis. Can they like tell them say they don't want to make it be say their people go they come Italy again since it be say they not get any problem. Say anything when concern economical migrants, say they not just need them for their country. Say the way when people come to their arrive, say they still don't too much. Say they don't want make them see all those things again. Make them control their people, make them for not they pack, they enter their own country again. But those of them when be say on I never see the video because for here anything will happen now with the talk, we know they add and they will not they remove. So for you when it be say you never see the video, demonstrate.
Missione Tunisi per la ministra dell'interno Luciana Lamorgese e il ministro degli esteri Luigi Di Maio, una trasferta nella capitale nordafricana per mettere un freno alle partenze di migranti e sollecitare il meccanismo dei rimpatri. Quella dalla Tunisia rappresenta la nuova rotta del flusso migratorio. Dall'inizio dell'anno su 15.000 persone arrivate via mare sulle nostre coste, quasi la metà, 6.500, sono di nazionalità tunisina. Sono i cosiddetti sbarchi in autonomia.
Anche se arrivi così massicci, possono determinare un problema securitario per il nostro paese.
ولكن لا يخفى أن هذه الرحلات والوصول إلى السواحل الليبية بهذا الشكل أو بهذه الأرقام تشكل حتما أيضا خطرا وتهديدا للجانب الأمني.
Abbiamo ringraziato il Presidente della Repubblica per il segnale importante che ha voluto dare andando il giorno della vostra festa proprio a Sfax e Madia. È stato un segnale molto importante.
لقد شكرنا شكرا جزيلا سيادة رئيس الجمهورية الجمهورية على ما قام به أظن يوم عطلة في روزنامة العطلة التونسية، وذلك عندما انتقل إلى صفاقس والبلدية إلى ولاية صفاقس ليشاهد بنفسه ويعاين بنفسه هذه الأماكن التي تنطلق منها هذه الرحلات ولتقييم الوضعية الموجودة.
La rete dei trafficanti di esseri umani sfrutta anche il momento difficile che sta vivendo la Tunisia.
متجرو البشر وهؤلاء المجرمون هم يغتنمون الفرصة الحساسة والمناخ الحساس الذي تمر به تونس في الوقت الحالي.
Già ora hanno cambiato posti di imbarco verso l'Italia,
ولقد تقدموا بذلك وقد قاموا بتحويل نقطة الانطلاق
ad altri porti.
من ميناء صفاقس إلى موانئ أخرى.
Noi riteniamo che la Tunisia vada aiutata
تونس تستحق المساعدة.
e ringrazio i commissari europei che sono oggi qui con noi,
أشكر أيضا المفوضين الأوروبيين الموجودين اليوم معنا،
il commissario Varela e il commissario Johansson,
المفوض باريلي والمفوض جوانسون،
il rapporto è continuo, costante,
علاقتنا وتعاملنا معهم هي علاقة مستمرة
per affrontare il problema del fatto dell'immigrazione sul nostro territorio e sulle coste più vicine.
لحل مشاكل والتصدي لأزمة الهجرة التي تخص سواحلنا وأيضا السواحل القريبة منا.
È un problema che va affrontato a livello europeo.
هي مسألة يجب التطرق لها والتطرق إليها من وجهة أوروبية.
E la loro presenza qui è la dimostrazione di come venga seguito attentamente ai massimi livelli la situazione della Tunisia e la cooperazione con i paesi europei.
وحضورهم اليوم معنا هي العلامة والدليل على الاهتمام الذي تحميه.
So my people, when I watch that video now, when I see as it happen, I say the Luigi Di Maio and Lamorgese Congo, can they explain, they give the Tunisia government say they're not going to make the immigrant they arrive again. So as they're doing like that now, it still makes sense so that the little one when they come from, especially the black ones when they come from North Africa, so that they're not going to complain too much because these Tunisia people, now make an instance say Lamorgese and other people come they complain say the way when immigrants they arrive too much. Now these Tunisia people now then they arrive every day of free cent every day and then they cross that street see anyhow. So now so it happen. So now say man bring this update for now. Mona for still see as it happen. Now make a tell on say Mona try to subscribe to this channel so that anytime when you be say I upload video like this or now see as it happen. You understand? We know the rush as it happen and so we content the give now see as it be. So you whenever subscribe, may try to subscribe and then not forget me you put the like button of this particular video and then you try to share out the video so that other people will still they see what they happen as it they play. So now so it be. So may you stay blessed and stay nice till next time again we'll meet together.